Ngayon meron kaming gagawing AC. Nag-PU siya tapos nawalan ng power tapos nag-PU. Ayan. Na-check ko na yung problema. Itong induction na coil. Ayan. Ano pala to? 4 tons. Ayan. I want to teach to you how to this check for induction coil. You check. See? What is the difference? Natuturo sa kanya kung paano mag para magkaiwalay mga kami nito. May natutunan sa akin kasi lahat ng mga tao ko doon sa Kubar tinuruan ko. You see, to check this. Okay, this is the old okay, check one by one. Okay, this is blue and okay, this okay. The other one, yes. It's okay. Okay, now check this one. Shorted, you see. Another one. Okay, you see, this is the different. You see, all of have this ground, right? Continuity. You see, this is the other one. Must be this, only this. Another one. There you go. You see, the other one don't have. You see, you see, now this together, right? We're this together. Ayo. Together this blue and yellow. Okay. Now this together must be brown and white. Check this brown and white. Brown and white. You see. But here all this damage, right? This is the different. Okay. Now we'll put now. Ngayon kakabit na namin tong induction na coil dito. Turuan ko siya paano magkabit para ma-experience niya rin. At tatlong kontraktor na pala pumunta rito, hindi lang nagawa. Kaya lang hindi ako nag-ano kasi siyempre may kontraktor kami. Hindi man nila nagawa. Ayan. Turuan ko siya kung paano mag you put here and then put inside like that. This have a handle. Okay. Turuan ko siya kung paano mag up. Okay. Now push. Right, and then put the one screw here and one screw there. And then it's okay. Yan lang naman ng ng PU. Problema ng PU. Dalawa kasi ang klase ng ng PU. Isang sa induction coil, kung hindi dito sa board. Itong board na to. Di ba? Napakalinis ng board namin, no? Yan. Kailangan natin silang turuan. Hindi naman kasi tayo madamot magturo eh. Yan. I-update ko lang kayo mamaya kung anong nangyari pa.